Now, let's explore some solutions to acid rain. So, as we have mentioned previously, acid rain will form due to the presence of atmospheric pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. First of all, we can remove sulfur from fuels. So, we can remove sulfur from fuels which are used to give energy or power. And thus, sulfur dioxide, SO2, will not be released, and therefore it won't react with water vapor and oxygen in the air to produce sulfuric acid H2SO4. So by removing sulfur from fuels, we are inhibiting the release of sulfur dioxide into the air, which can react with water vapor and oxygen to produce sulfuric acid. We can also use scrubbing the gases in power stations and factories to remove SO2 and NOx. So we will use scrubbing the gases to remove sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. This is cleaning the gases to remove SO2 and NOx. So we will clean the gases to remove atmospheric pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Another possible solution is using catalytic converters in cars. These catalytic converters will convert toxic gases such as nitrogen oxides to less toxic gases and less harmful gases such as nitrogen gas, N2 gas, and water vapor H2O. So some possible solutions to the problem of acid rain are removing sulfur from fuels, scrubbing gases at power stations, and using catalytic converters in cars.